Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about network interface occurred. Please try again later error on smart TVs. I'll explain here. Change DNS method. Change DNS in the first step is press menu on your remote. Select network. Select network status. Select IP settings. Select DNS settings. Select enter manually. Input your DNS address here. After changing the DNS, is the smart hub working properly? If it's working properly, not a problem. If it's not working, then factory reset is required. For this, restoring your desired device to its factory default settings will remove all user data. For the first step is power on your TV. Press the menu button and select support, then enter. Choose self diagnosis and then enter. After that, select reset, then enter. Enter your security pin. The default pin is 0000. The default pin code is 0000. If you changed the password in the past and now can't remember it, you can reset it by powering off the TV, then entering the following your remote control mute 824 power. The factory reset screen will show a warning message. Tap S to confirm factory reset. During the process, TV may turn off and on and will display the setup screen. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, like this video. Thank you.